like dancing. Yes, I do. 'Cause you gotta make the best of life while you're young. Good people, weekend. Just what you wanna do. Weekend. When those working days are through. Weekend.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Easy Custom 4x4. Here we have a 1983 Jeep Scrambler CJ8. It's got the original straight 6 motor, 5-speed transmission. It's got basically a brand new motor rebuilt. No rust. This Jeep came from Arizona. It's the Laredo edition, which means it's got the factory clock, factory tach. It's got some chrome accents and other little goodies. It's got 31-inch tires. The paint's in good condition. The inside is in really good condition. Runs and drives like a true joy. It's got tilt wheel. Take it down the road. It's got a really nice alarm system in it. Phenomenal oil pressure, as you can see. 140,000 miles on the speedometer. This is a very nice Scrambler. If you guys are in the market for a classic Jeep such as a Scrambler like this, or even a CJ5, CJ6, CJ7, Wrangler YJ, TJ, Commando, Jeepster, M38, M38A1, any of the classic Jeeps, just give us a call at 844-EZJEEPS or visit our website at ezcustom4x4.com or ezjeeps.com. Thank you and have a great day. Let's turn this bad boy around and do it again. Drive straight as an arrow, smooth as silk. Very, very nice Scrambler. Have a great day.